Hello guys, this is Satish Kothalla. In the left side, you are seeing Unreal Engine 4.25. On the right side, you are looking at Marmoset 2 Back 3.08. It's a presentation renderer, and I saw very minimal differences between the two engines. One is the game engine and another one is real-time presentation engine renderer, we can call that, right? And right now we have got the differences. We have got the scatter on backside of the here, and here we don't have the scattering because I didn't add any light in there, but it do the same. But the differences between the Unreal Engine 4 and the Marmoset 2 bag, in the left side we are using, in the left side means it's an Unreal Engine. In the Unreal Engine, we are using height map instead of the normal map. And in the right side, in the Marmoset 2 bag, we are using the normal map and also the height map in the parallax. So it gives some kind of great depths for us in Marmoset 2 bag. And in Unreal Engine, we get the depths, but compared to Marmoset 2 bag, it is a little bit, you can see, low. It's not that great compared to Marmoset 2 bag. But when it comes to rendering the look and giving the great visualization kind of thing, Unreal Engine is very good. And in here, Marmoset 2 bag is giving greater results, and left side, the Unreal Engine 4 is also giving the greater results. And most important thing to talk about in here is Unreal Engine has the own set of materials for the hair, and we have to make a lot of changes to make it work. And in Marmoset 2 bag, it is straightforward. You can just need to drag and drop all of the textures that you'd want to show for the hairstyle that you made. Both the hairstyles have the similar the similar poly count. This is 23Ks and that is 23 as well, and the hairstyle is same, and we are getting so much spec on the Unreal Engine 4. But yeah, it's all depend on depth, and we don't use ambient occlusion map in Unreal Engine, but we can add into the slot if you need to have great depth. We can use ambient occlusion map in Marmoset 2 bag, and in Unreal Engine we generally use depth map, ID map, and root map, and we use the height map, and of course alpha mask. And in the right side we use all of the maps like scatter map, normal map, evo, and a lot of maps are there. In the Unreal Engine we are using just the 4 maps, and in Marmoset 2 bag we are using a lot of maps. But if we compare to the results of the Unreal Engine 4 and Marmoset 2 bag gives the same results, so you don't have to worry about anything in here. But Unreal Engine is real-time game, in the real-time game engine, so we can see all the stuff in real-time game. And right side, in the Marmoset 2 bag, we have the presentation render. We can quickly add a lot of stuff into it and take the renders out. And the hair material looks like this in Unreal Engine 4. We have a lot of controls in here. We just need to change a lot of things in here. If we need to change color, we can change them in real time. See, the colors are changing really nicely in here. I'm just trying to change the colors. We can play with these colors to get whatever the hairstyle we are looking for, and I'm just changing randomly. I'm just playing. It supports us to change and select any kind of color that we are looking to go with. I'm just trying to make a little bit reddish and more, just something like that. Yeah, it gives great results for sure. We are seeing the flyaway hairs in here and here as well. The results are same and differences are very minimal. And if you look at, I'm changing the parameters in here, and I am gonna go and do some blue colored hair in here. See, that's how we can change the colors in Unreal Engine. And I'm gonna go and put some kind of reddish color and leave it, of course, like this. And I can change it to the normal color that it has, the default color that I made for this. See, just like this. And let me close this material editor, and here we have the Marmoset 2 bag. It gives the same similar kind of results. The hairstyle strips are handmade. I mean, placed one by one. It took me so much time to place. It's not that easy to do, but it gives great results if we do properly. Of course, I'm done in real quick. If I spend a lot of hours, I can get more greater looking here and here. Of course, these similar results will be reflecting in the Unreal Engine as well. Whatever the hairstyle I make in the future, that will be rendered through the two renderers, because I'd like to check the results in the both engines, like the game and the presentation renderer, so I can get more stuff in here and understand the things how they're going. I guess it's gone. I'd like to bring it back. One moment, please. So here I have the hairstyle. Yeah, they're looking great in both, definitely. Anyway, right now I am very much interested to say that I'd like to make a tutorial for the hair. I'd like to render them in Unreal Engine and Marmoset Toolbar as well. I might be posting them on YouTube, or if I make the tutorial breakdowns and stuff, I'll be posting in my ArtStation. If you don't follow it, you just need to follow, or you can follow me on Instagram. I'd like to tell that I like ArtStation, so I like you to follow me on ArtStation. That would be very helpful for me. And of course, I made a YouTube channel. I'll be posting a lot of videos and a lot of tutorials, breakdowns in that YouTube channel. So it will be very easy to contact and be enriched with you guys. So if you want to see a lot of stuff like this, and this is not a tutorial, by the way, I'm just explaining the differences a little and a presentation kind of thing. But in the channels and my social media accounts, I'll be posting a lot of breakdowns, and I'll be explaining if you get any doubts. I'll be making a lot of videos according to your needs. If you ask me, if you have any doubts, you can just message me, or you can comment in the down below in my YouTube channel, or you can message me in our, you can comment in ArtStation. Mostly I'd like to see your comments on YouTube, on ArtStation, of course the Instagram. I will be posting a lot of stuff. Please keep in touch with me if you want to learn something, or you want to see my stuff, what I'm gonna do in the future. That really be helpful for me. Thank you so much. I'd like to tell that. And here we have the hairstyles. Yeah, that is it. I'd like to say, and bye, take care. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please go to the link that I will be giving in the description or in the text. and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, please comment in there or in here on the ArtStation. I'll be ready to help you with any kind of stuff. I'll be making a lot of stuff. I just started right now. So thank you.